Here's how you make spicy orange chicken tenders. First, I'm going to get some chicken tenderloins and I'm going to add some buttermilk, some sriracha sauce, some garlic powder, citrus seasoning, cayenne pepper, and a little bit of hot sauce. I'm going to let that marinate for an hour. While that's marinating, I'm going to make my sauce. I'm going to get an orange. I'm going to zest it and get the orange juice. And in a pan over medium heat, I'm going to add some sugar, some water, some soy sauce, a little bit of white vinegar, that zest orange and orange juice. And then I'm going to add in some grated garlic, ginger, orange blossom honey, and a cornstarch slurry to thicken things up. Then I'm going to use those same seasonings that I used at the beginning of the video to add to my flour and fry up my chicken tenders, and then put it in my orange sauce.